Let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Samba gold level routine with the count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Very good. Now let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And now let's look at the same choreography once again, but this time in slow motion. So we start with Samba locks in open counter promenade position. Then we continue with crisscross Volta. Notice that lady dances solo spot Volta turn. We continue with back rocks. And then Plait. Notice here we don't have bounce. Then we change to stationary Samba walk and crisscross Botafogo. Foot change, which means man dance kickball change, and then Contra Botafogos, continued by circular Voltas to right, and 2 Contra Botafogos. Very good. Now let's look from opposite angle. So we start with Samba locks, continue with crisscross Volta, turn to left, and lady dances solo Volta spot turn to left. Then back rocks, continued with Plait, and then we dance stationary Samba walk, crisscross Botafogo, foot change, and Contra Botafogos, circular Volta to right, and then 2 Contra Botafogos. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.